What if one of the most iconic pickup trucks in American history came back? Not as a museum piece, not as a retro toy, but as a full-blown modern machine built for 2026. Today, we're talking about the 2026 Chevrolet 3100, a legendary name reborn with cutting-edge technology, modern performance, and unmistakable classic DNA. So buckle up because we're breaking down the exterior, interior, engine options, pricing, and whether this reborn icon is truly worth the hype. At first glance, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 instantly triggers nostalgia. And that's exactly the point. Chevrolet keeps the rounded fenders, upright grille, and bold stance inspired by the original 1940s and 50s 3100. But everything has been sharpened, widened, and modernized for today's roads. Up front, you'll notice a reimagined chrome grille with integrated LED lighting, round LED headlights with daytime running light rings, a sculpted hood that blends retro curves with modern aerodynamics. From the side, the truck sits lower and wider than the original, giving it a confident, planted stance. Large alloy wheels, ranging from 18 to 22 inches depending on the trim, fill the arches perfectly. Around back, minimalist LED taillights, a clean tailgate with embossed Chevrolet lettering, optional soft-close tailgate, and power step system. This truck doesn't scream for attention. It commands respect. Step inside the 2026 Chevrolet 3100, and the transformation is jaw-dropping. Chevrolet blends vintage-inspired design with modern luxury. You'll find a horizontal dashboard layout with metal and wood accents, classic-style knobs, paired with digital controls, premium leather seats with contrast stitching. Front and center is a large digital infotainment display, seamlessly integrated into the retro dash. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto over-the-air software updates, voice command, and navigation. Behind the wheel, a fully digital gauge cluster mimics classic analog dials, but with modern readouts for speed, efficiency, and performance. Other interior highlights include heated and ventilated seats, premium Bose sound system, wireless charging, advanced driver assistance systems like lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control. It feels classic, but behaves like a modern luxury truck. Now let's talk about what really matters, what's under the hood. Chevrolet is expected to offer multiple powertrain options for the 2026 3100 turbocharged 2.7-liter inline-4 approximate. 310 horsepower strong torque for daily driving and light hauling V8 option, a modernized 5.3-liter V8, estimated 400-plus horsepower smooth power delivery with a classic rumble. Electric variant, rumored, fully electric Chevrolet 3100 electron-volts dual motor, all-wheel drive, estimated 450 to 500 horsepower, up to 400 miles of range. All versions would feature advanced suspension for comfort and stability, multiple drive modes, comfort, sport, tow, off-road, optional all-wheel drive whether you want tradition, muscle, or futuristic performance. The 3100 has you covered. So, how much does nostalgia cost in 2026? While official pricing hasn't been confirmed, industry estimates suggest base model around $45,000 V8 performance trim, around $55,000 to $60,000 fully loaded or EV version, could exceed $70,000. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 isn't trying to compete with every pickup on the market. It's not chasing maximum towing numbers. It's not trying to be the cheapest option. So what do you think? Would you drive the 2026 Chevrolet 3100? Gas, V8, or full electric? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this deep dive, and don't forget to subscribe for more future car reveals and concept breakdowns. Until next time,